1 Thessalonians 4 verse 13 to 18. Brothers and sisters, we do not want you to be uninformed about those who sleep in death, so that you will not grieve like the rest of mankind who have no hope. For we believe that Jesus died and rose again, and so we believe that God will bring with Jesus those who have fell asleep in Him. According to the Lord's word, we tell you that we who are still alive and we who are left until the coming of the Lord will certainly not receive those who have fell asleep. For the Lord will come down from heaven with a loud command, with the voice of archangel, and with the trumpet call of God. And the dead of Christ will rise first. After that, we who are still alive and who are left will caught up together with them to meet the Lord in the air. And so we will be with the Lord forever. Therefore, encourage one another with this verse.